Welcome to Improve Instantly. In today's video, we're diving into meal planning and preparation. Whether you're looking to save time, eat healthier, or simplify your cooking routine, this video will provide you with the tools and insights you need to succeed. We're here to help you overcome common meal planning challenges and achieve your culinary goals with practical, actionable advice. Stay tuned till the end for a quick actionable cheat sheet on meal planning and preparation. Why this topic matters. Understanding meal planning and preparation is crucial for maintaining a healthy diet and managing your time effectively. Many people struggle with deciding what to cook, which can lead to unhealthy eating habits and wasted food. For instance, studies show that individuals who plan their meals in advance are more likely to make healthier food choices and save money on groceries. By focusing on meal planning, you can streamline your cooking process, reduce stress, and ensure a balanced diet. Meal planning and preparation aren't just about organizing your meals, they're about creating a sustainable and enjoyable eating routine. For example, a friend of mine used to spend hours each day deciding what to cook and often ended up ordering takeout. After starting meal planning, they were able to prepare nutritious meals in advance, save money, and enjoy more quality time with their family. This transformation not only improved their health but also their overall well-being. 8 essential tips for meal planning and preparation. Tip 1. Set clear dietary goals. This tip helps you define what you want to achieve with your diet. For example, set specific goals like eating more vegetables, reducing sugar intake, or trying new recipes. Clear goals provide direction and motivation for your meal planning efforts. Tip 2. Plan your meals for the week. Implementing this will ensure you have a structured plan for your meals. It's particularly useful for saving time and reducing last-minute decisions. For instance, create a weekly meal plan that includes breakfast, lunch, dinner, and snacks for each day. Tip 3. Create a shopping list. Here's why this is important for staying organized and avoiding unnecessary purchases. Consider how it can help you stick to your meal plan and budget. For example, make a list of all the ingredients you need for your planned meals and stick to it while shopping. Tip 4. Prep ingredients in advance. This approach helps you save time during the week. By using this strategy, you can prepare ingredients like chopping vegetables, marinating proteins, and cooking grains in advance. Prepping ingredients makes it easier to assemble meals quickly. Tip 5. Cook in batches. By applying this, you can maximize your cooking efforts. Think of it as a way to prepare multiple servings at once. For example, cook large batches of soups, stews, or casseroles that can be stored and eaten throughout the week. Tip 6. Use versatile ingredients. This tip will assist you in creating a variety of meals with minimal ingredients. An example of this could be using ingredients like chicken, rice, or vegetables in multiple recipes. Versatile ingredients allow you to mix and match to keep meals interesting. Tip 7. Store meals properly. It's crucial for maintaining food quality and safety. This method can help you keep meals fresh and ready to eat. For example, use airtight containers to store meals in the refrigerator or freezer, and label them with the date they were prepared. Tip 8. Keep a recipe collection. Incorporating this will help you find inspiration and avoid meal planning fatigue. This technique is great for having a go-to list of favorite recipes. Keep a collection of recipes you enjoy and want to try, and refer to it when planning your meals. Section 3. Overcoming common challenges. Even with the best tips, challenges can arise. Common obstacles include lack of time, picky eaters, and limited cooking skills. For example, a busy schedule can make it difficult to stick to a meal plan. To tackle these, consider using time-saving appliances like slow cookers or instant pots and involving family members in meal preparation. Addressing these issues head-on will ensure you make consistent progress and achieve your meal planning goals more effectively. Lack of time often leads to reliance on convenience foods. To combat this, set aside a specific time each week for meal planning and preparation. Picky eaters can also be challenging. Involve them in choosing recipes and preparing meals to increase their interest in healthy foods. Limited cooking skills can be improved by starting with simple recipes and gradually trying more complex ones. Quick actionable cheat sheet: meal planning and preparation. Set clear dietary goals. Define specific, achievable dietary goals. Plan your meals for the week. Create a weekly meal plan including all meals and snacks. Create a shopping list. List all ingredients needed for your planned meals. Prep ingredients in advance. Save time by preparing ingredients ahead. Cook in batches. Prepare multiple servings at once for convenience. Use versatile ingredients. Create variety with minimal ingredients. Store meals properly. Use airtight containers and label with preparation dates. Keep a recipe collection. Have a go-to list of favorite and new recipes. Conclusion. To wrap up, remember that meal planning and preparation is all about creating a sustainable and enjoyable eating routine that helps you achieve your dietary goals. Incorporate these tips into your meal planning process to see real improvements in your health, time management, and culinary enjoyment. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you.